Agriculture has been in my family for centuries. My grandpa, he was actually a bracero. A bracero is people that U.S. Were able to get from Mexico to help out during the crisis during World War II with, agriculture and the need of people to come and work at the fields. So my grandpa, he was a bracero, and he had his own, little company of just doing welding and blacksmith and all of that. So agriculture has been such a huge part of my family. That's why I want to continue that and bring the legacy and keep the legacy going. My name is Sofia Uvina. I'm currently double majoring in Spanish and agriculture education. As an agriculture teacher, I really want to teach my students, about the past generations and how agriculture was back then, and also teach them what's going on now. That way, in the future, they can share that passion with everyone else. Here on campus, I do a lot of things that include welding, I do carpentry, I go out and work with the livestock. We have sheep on campus, we have cattle on campus, we have chickens, we have everything, and that allows me to, get out there and do hands-on activities to help me in the future when I do actually have to do those things in the classroom. Seeing my professors from here at New Mexico State University just helped me grow as an individual, not just in the classroom, but outside with, the real world, with my career. I want to do that, and I want to share my passion with other students and just kind of show them the way they taught me how to grow as an individual. I want to do the same to them.